Hey, this is Thomas, and these are the parts that make up something really cool. I'm going to be making an AM transmitter. Once I solder everything in place and get it ready, I'll be able to transmit any music or program through the AM bands to my old-fashioned AM radio receiver or anybody that wants to receive what I'm sending out. So I'm going to go ahead and solder it and see if I can put this thing to good use. Well, this AM transmitter is gonna transmit a very weak signal, probably only gonna reach about 15 feet, so I won't be interfering with any other radio signals, so maybe only me and a couple other people will be able to receive the signal. I've started off with my resistors because they aren't marked, so I have to do a little bit of detective work on the stripes to see where they go. The stripes correspond to different numbers, and those numbers can be used, as you can see on the little spreadsheet here, those numbers can be used to tell where those certain resistors go. So I'm going to start off with the resistors and then go on to everything else. This here is an electrolytic capacitor. It has polarity, which means it has to be put in correctly with positive and negative ends. So I don't really have that much of experience when it comes to polarity, and I tend to get things wrong due to me being left-handed and mixing up my directions a lot. So I'm gonna have to be really careful with this thing. The positive is the longer leg, so I'm going to go with that assumption and hope that I don't mess it up. So this is where I am. I've put in most of the capacitors and other stuff. So all I need to do is do the resistors and maybe a little bit more parts, and then it's finally ready for usage. So this is the AM transmitter. This here's the antenna. This is what changes the modulation. This is any audio output, and this is the power system. So I'm going to try transmitting some music from my phone on here and see if the transmitter actually works. So the transmitter is transmitting, and this is the signal on about 15-14 kilohertz. The modulation and audio quality were kinda not that great. We had to make some minor adjustments so that it made music instead of squeaking, but at least it works, and we can be able to set it up so we can listen to music that we play from our own transmitter. So overall, I had fun doing the project, but I'd only give it around a C. So thanks for watching and have a good day.